All right, folks, you want to have some fun with door and window casing? Have at it. It's easy. This next one is probably one of my favorites, my personal favorites. It can cross over from designs. It can go anything from basic farmhouse to colonial into traditional, just depending on which casing you pair it with. And these are referred to as pediments or head pediments. And it's a door or window treatment where you take 2, 3, 4 different molding elements and combine them together to create a real nice headdress across the top of the window or door. And the one we've come up with today uses 3 different elements, very user-friendly, very DIY friendly, in that I have a piece of 1x6, dimensional 1x6, poplar finger jointed, I'm working with today. Paired that with our little, what we call scribe mold. It's our B934 scribe mold. And then the pediment being capped off with our B404 cap molding. And in putting them together, without fumbling them too much, you can get a real good idea of the side profile. Okay, so with some basic outside corner miter returns on our 2 profiled moldings, our 404 cap and our 934 scribe, this really comes to life as a nice head pediment. So I'm going to pair that with our 3.5-inch Craftsman casing, and I have a little pediment cutaway made up. I'll top it off with that, and you guys can see for yourselves. Okay, so like I say, I had this little cutaway of the 3 pieces of molding, a 1x6 scribe mold, cap mold, and it's going to take this whole ensemble to a little different level. There you go. So Craftsman-style casing, dressed up just a little bit with a 3-piece pediment head, and painted or stained, it looks beautiful.